Did you know that people are already earning $100 per day with mobile apps? That's right, you heard it correctly. You'll be able to generate money online now just by downloading and utilizing apps. Today, I'll show you 5 legitimate and unique websites that will give you real money through your PayPal accounts. They may be used on your phone, computer, laptop, tablet, or any of the other device you own. So make sure you stick around until the ending of this beginner-friendly guide, because the last apps I'll show you today have the potential to earn you $10,000 in your online bank accounts.
Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything.
To begin using this strategy, you must first have a PayPal account. If you don't already have one, go to paypal.com. Sign up for a free account on their site by clicking here where it says Sign Up Now. That being said, let's get started with our first website of today's tutorial, Surveysonthego.com. But before we go into this app, please keep in mind that the application on our list will be ordered from the lowest to the highest earning sites. So if you want to make up to $10,000 right into your bank account, make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video to learn about the last applications that will pay you the most. Anyway, this is how the platform should appear. And as the name of the site says, this program will require you to do relatively basic surveys in order to earn money online. The surveys on this app are short, simple, and easy to complete. It's amazing since there aren't any right or wrong replies. You're free to respond in any way you want and they will still pay you. Examine all of the website's features as well as all the content. If you scroll down, you'll notice that you can earn cash rather than points, as well as the fact that this site provides fair trade data, fit your lifestyle, and cash for referrals, all of which are excellent benefits. Visit this one and learn all of the important details so you can get started right away. You may also get this one on your phone because it's completely free on the Google Play Store and the App Store. This is how it should appear if you look it up on Google Play. As you can see, premium surveys can help you earn extra money. You can earn up to $20 per survey. You can see all of the surveys accessible in a day. You can choose the subjects you want to answer a survey about, and you will be paid in cash. If you scroll down, you'll notice that this app has a solid rating and reviews, indicating that it's something you can rely on. I strongly advise you to start with this one because it's really convenient and will assist you, especially if you are a beginner. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code APPS as a pre-registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. Let's move on to today's second platform, Ustoluna.com. This app is similar to the last one in that it also asks for your honest feedback on their surveys. The only difference is that this one pays a little more. They will pay you a substantial amount of money if you give them honest ideas on a given subject. If you scroll down, you'll notice that this app is supported by major corporations like Amazon, CBS, Coca-Cola, and others. As a result, you can put your trust in this one. It's important to note that this second app is available only for individuals who live in the United States. Furthermore, this app is once again available on the App Store and Google Play Store, and this is what it will look like when you attempt to download it. You influence your world anytime, anywhere. it says here. It's also clear that you'll earn points by taking surveys and that you'll be paid via PayPal, Amazon, and Tango gift cards, which is excellent for us. Make sure to get this second software as soon as possible. Observa is our third app, and this is how it should appear in your Google Play Store. To give you some context, this app differs from the prior two in that it is willing to pay you when you go out and shop. This adds a lot of excitement and makes it more appropriate for folks who enjoy shopping. This program will provide you with a list of stores where you can purchase goods. You have 1,000 stores to choose from, by the way. They will pay you once you purchase something from those stores. This app is fantastic. However, as I previously stated, it is best suited for those who enjoy shopping and purchasing items. To underline the app's value, you will receive cashback when you purchase things from the merchants they recommend. It's a win situation for you because you'll get your merchandise, as well as a return on your investment and payment after you install their software. Make sure you install the third one right away. Our fourth app for today is called EasyShiftApp.com. This one will pay you far more than other three, so pay attention. Both of the Google Play Store and the App Store has this one. You may now earn money on this app by doing things like shopping, eating, or even touring your city. Anyway, when you scroll down, you'll notice texts that say, "Earn cash anywhere." Tasks are simple and fun, fast payments, and starting is easy. If you continue scrolling down, you'll notice that this app collaborates with some of the most well-known businesses, including Forbes, The Wall Street Journal, USA Today, and Mashable. As a result, it's a reputable and trustworthy site to use for this strategy. If you go to Google Play Store or the App Store, you'll see some examples of work you'll be given and how much money you can make using these apps. So go ahead and take a look at them right now. After that, it's up to you if you want to install this one or not, but I strongly advise you to do so. Now let's move on to our final and best platforms for today's video. This is the highest paying app of all the apps. CashMagnetApp.com is the name of this application. When you go to their page, you'll see the following. Get money from Android phone. We pay for every minute you don't do nothing. We have the largest payment since Cash Magnet connects all the top 10 reward programs in one place. It says as you scroll down. Furthermore, if you scroll down even further, you will see the following statement. You are not required to execute duties. You can watch commercials or play games. Earnings will be self-sustaining and passive. With that being said, to save this video from running too long, I'd like you to learn more about this site yourself after you've downloaded it from the Google Play Store. Before I leave, I'd like you to offer some advice. Make sure you download all and install all of these programs and tender them all at the same time. By merely using applications on your mobile device, you can earn at least $1,000 per month or perhaps $10,000 per year. Check them out right now to get started earning that decent money right away.
And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions and how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.